In this video, we're going to compare Minimax versus ElevenLabs. So let's see what their good features are. So as you can see, ElevenLabs is the most realistic and versatile AI speech software. It gives compelling, rich, and lifelike voices. Meanwhile, Minimax is an advanced AI company offering a suite of AI native applications for video creation, speech generation, music production, and image manipulation. So let's see the platforms that they support. So ElevenLabs supports cloud, iPhone, iPad, Android. Meanwhile, Minimax supports cloud, wherein you can access it on any device as long as you have browser. For the dedicated audience, users or companies that want powerful AI voice generation is great for ElevenLabs. Meanwhile, Minimax is ideal for content creators, businesses, and developers looking to leverage advanced AI tools. It has support online, and meanwhile, Minimax doesn't have any support. ElevenLabs also offers API, which is good for integrations. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.